If you live in Fort Lauderdale, you're no stranger to the intense sun and tropical weather that characterize South Florida's climate. From scorching summer heat to occasional heavy rains, your home's energy efficiency is put to the test year-round. One of the most effective ways to reduce energy bills and improve home comfort is by upgrading your windows. Window replacement is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a smart investment that can have a significant impact on your energy bills, especially in Fort Lauderdale's unique climate. Understanding Fort Lauderdale's climate and energy demands. Fort Lauderdale is known for its hot and humid tropical climate, with summer temperatures often climbing into the high 80s and 90s, and humidity making it feel even warmer. The high heat can drive up air conditioning costs as homeowners try to stay cool indoors. Winter months may offer some relief, but the overall moderate climate still keeps energy demands high. In addition to heat, Fort Lauderdale experiences regular rainfall and occasional hurricanes. As a result, homes in the area require windows that can withstand both the temperature fluctuations and the unpredictable weather events. That's why window replacement can be a game changer for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills while maintaining a comfortable, secure living environment. How window replacement reduces energy bills. Improved insulation with energy-efficient windows. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed with insulation in mind. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass, can allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, causing your HVAC system to work overtime. This inefficiency leads to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Energy-efficient windows feature double or triple glazing with low emissivity, low-E coatings that reflect heat away from your home. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the load on your air conditioning system during the hot summer months. The less work your AC unit has to do, the lower your monthly electricity bill. Reduced solar heat gain. In Fort Lauderdale, windows exposed to direct sunlight can increase the amount of solar heat entering your home, making it harder to keep your indoor spaces cool. This phenomenon is known as solar heat gain, and it's a significant contributor to rising energy costs in the region. Newer windows are built with advanced technologies that help reduce solar heat gain while still allowing natural light to enter your home. Low-E coatings and heat-reflective glass can block up to 70% of solar heat from penetrating your windows. By minimizing solar heat gain, you can rely less on air conditioning, thus lowering your energy bills. Enhanced storm protection and durability. Fort Lauderdale is no stranger to storms and hurricanes, and windows are a critical line of defense during these weather events. Replacing older, worn-out windows with impact-resistant glass can help protect your home from flying debris, rain, and wind. Impact windows are designed to be both durable and energy efficient, offering a dual benefit of enhanced protection and improved thermal performance. These storm-resistant windows are often better sealed and insulated than standard windows, further helping to reduce heat transfer and air leakage. This can lead to significant savings on energy bills, particularly during hurricane season, when keeping windows sealed and secure can prevent energy loss. Reduced air leakage with proper sealing. Another major contributor to high energy bills is air leakage. Older windows, particularly those with damaged seals or gaps, can allow cool air to escape and warm air to enter. This results in your air conditioning system working harder to maintain the desired indoor temperature. Properly installed, energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize air leakage, providing a tight seal that keeps conditioned air inside your home. Tax credits and rebates. In some cases, replacing old windows with energy-efficient models may also make you eligible for tax credits or rebates. Homeowners in Fort Lauderdale who invest in energy-efficient home improvements may be able to take advantage of incentives offered by local utilities or the federal government. These savings can help offset the initial cost of window replacement, making the investment even more appealing. Conclusion: a smart investment for Fort Lauderdale homeowners. For homeowners in Fort Lauderdale, window replacement is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency and reduce high energy bills. Whether you're looking to block out the scorching sun, protect your home from storms, or simply create a more comfortable living environment, modern energy-efficient windows can help. By investing in high-quality, impact-resistant windows, you can enjoy lower utility costs, enhanced home comfort, and peace of mind, no matter the season. If you're considering a window upgrade, be sure to consult with a local professional to explore the best options for your home's needs and budget. It's an investment that pays off, not just in energy savings, but in long-term comfort and protection.